barbecued pork nacho. So we've got a bunch of spices here. We've got smoked paprika, cumin, coriander, dry mustard, garlic powder, ancho chili powder, salt, and pepper, and then we take a lot of brown sugar, and you're just gonna sprinkle it on the pork right there.
Oh, my
You're gonna rub it all over and then put it in a Dutch oven with 2 cups of chicken stock and cook for 4 hours. Then, while that's going...
Dang!
I really think in nachos, I really don't love putting nachos with just cheese on it, because once you take it out, it's good for 2 seconds, and then it congeals.
That's right.
And you get, like, the hard cheese nacho. I think you do both. You make a cheese sauce, and you shred some cheese and put it on top.
Yes.
So double cheese. For the cheese sauce, I have just some milk, some flour, some butter, and we're going to add it to add the cheese. We got cheddar cheese, the base, the roux. Right. We got cheddar cheese. We got Monterey Jack, and we're gonna just whisk that up so it's nice and melty. You turn off the heat. Use my fingers. It's all good. It's your best tools. And then I've got some chili powder and some ancho chili powder as well. And it's gonna come out like this. Beautiful, beautiful cheese sauce. Yes. So now we're gonna dress our nachos. We're gonna put a little bit of cheese on the first layer, like so.
Oh, and you know that means there's several layers coming.
The first layer, yes, of course. And then we add some of this shredded cheese.
That's the fontina?
The fontina cheese. So 3 kinds of cheese. Hello. Who doesn't love cheese? More of the cheese sauce.
Oh, yes.
Of course, we have the barbecued pork to put on there with nice big pieces of barbecued pork. You add your barbecue sauce once it's cooked. Just keep layering it. We're gonna just keep layering it and then pop that in the oven. So it's nice and golden and bubbly.
He's got a swap, don't worry.
Look at this.
So good.
TV magic. Look at that.
Put it right in front of him. Get it on the...
Barbecue pork nacho. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. Can you bring me my...
I'll bring your accoutrement. I got this.
Okay, so here's the nachos.
Here's your choppers.
We're gonna garnish this, of course. We've got some beautiful color.
Your pickled onions.
We've got some pickled onions. Let's do some avocado, some pickled onions. Pickled onions are so easy to make and so delicious. They heighten any sort of dish. Brings this color out, and then we've got some great sour cream, lime. Sour cream and lime, you just add it to a squeeze bottle and... Oh! That's for the extra sour cream. There we go.
You don't know your own strength.
That's it. And then top it with some cilantro. And there you go.
That is amazing.